Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on the Maypen bypass. We are in Osborne Store. That's a small community, like a district, just on the outskirts of Tollgate. But we're driving from Maypen to Tollgate. So this is the road we'll take. As you can see, the road could do with a little fixing, but I mean, this is a main road that connects you from Maypen to the western end of the island. So this road should be in a better state because it's used every day by so many people. But it is okay. So on the left is the Osborne Store Primary School and Infant School. And this is just a small area. I wouldn't consider it a town. Doesn't have much infrastructure to be considered a town. It's nothing. It's just like a stopover between Maypen and Tollgate. But it has a lot of homes, a lot of residential homes. So we're basically in the center of Jamaica now, the middle. And if you're driving from, say, Kingston to Westmoreland or Negril, this is the road you'd have to take because there's no high alternative via highway right now. The highway is being constructed, but it's not finished yet. Okay, on the right is it used to be a Texaco. It's a very popular gas station because they sell the gas, I guess you would say cheap or reasonable. Now we'll use low sulfur, the ultra low sulfur diesel. We're in an SUV. And in Kingston, you have some gas stations. I've seen it as high as $270. Some gas stations $260, $240 in Kingston. Yet when you come to these country parts, the gas is like $230 for the exact same ultra low sulfur, $233. So you have to ask yourself a question: why is it so expensive in Kingston? And the cost of delivery from the Petrojam refinery to the gas stations in Kingston would be less because the tankers don't have to drive as far. So let's take, for example, a gas station on this road. They sell the ultra low sulfur for $233, and obviously they're going to have a higher delivery charge because the oil tankers or the gas tankers have to go a further distance. So I don't get it. Why do the gas stations in Kingston sell it so much more expensive? Mark you, people have to buy it nonetheless because nobody's coming all the way down here to buy gas. But just goes to show you the huge difference in the gas price. Okay, we're going to take a look at this board and see how much they sell it for. And I'm just assuming it's the same for all the gas types, but we use ultra low sulfur, so we're more familiar with that price. Okay, this gas station is in the 230s. So I don't know. That just seems like, the gas stations are free to set their own price and people can go elsewhere. There are a lot of gas stations in Kingston. But it just goes to show you that they're making a huge markup basically. Because right there we just passed a gas station in Clarendon that is in the 230s, and the gas stations in Kingston are in the 270s, the 260s, the 250s, the 240s. So I guess everybody is free to set their own gas price and persons are free to buy the gas where they want. I just wanted to point that out. Okay, we're now going into Tollgate, or we're in the community of Tollgate, and this again is just much bigger than Osborne Store, but it's still just a district, not really a town. on the main road between Maypen and Mandeville. As you can see, it's a very busy road. And I must say, the road should be in a better state than this. So, the main roads really should be kept at a certain standard. And this one clearly falls below that standard. As you can, if you look at the sides of the road, you'll notice there's so much. Okay, look at where these light poles are. They're so far in. That's because this road was originally designed to be a 4-lane road. So the light poles were placed at the position there would be as if this road had 4 lanes. So this road can easily be renovated and expanded to 4 lanes. So this is the parish of Clarendon. It's, as we said, in the center of Jamaica. If you're driving from Kingston to Westmoreland, which is the westernmost parish, you go, when you leave Kingston, you go into St. Catherine. That's where you have Spanish Town, Linstead, not Spanish Town, Portmore. We're talking on the south coast now. Linstead is on the north, when you head into the north coast. You go through St. Catherine, then you pass through Clarendon, and then you would go through Manchester, and then St. Elizabeth, and then Westmoreland. So these are the southern parishes. And there are some of the, well, St. Anne is the largest parish, but St. Elizabeth is huge, or large, I should say, and so is St. Catherine. Of course, Kingston is the capital of Jamaica, so it's the largest city, and also has the largest population. And you can see that car does, of course it's a taxi, it has a red plate. Just pull over to the side, no indicator, nothing. Just pull off the road because somebody flashed them down and they wanted to get picked up. I mean, an indicator to say you're stopping, you know, or you're coming off, you're turning, something. But unfortunately, I think that happens all over the world. Everybody is trying to pass this truck before we get to the porous road because it's a winding road. It's like you're going up a hill, and it's going to be more difficult to pass a truck on that road. So I think that's why everybody is in such a haste to pass the truck now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.